Hi, my name is Buck Bonner, and I'm standing here in Baldridge Marina on the back of our new 2020 Tige ZX23. This is a brand new model for the Tige lineup in 2020. I'm standing on the swim platform now. As you can see, it's abundant space to put on your water sports gear. You can see the lighting under the water there from our two RGB underwater lights. You can see where we have access to our ski and surf locker here on the transom of the boat. It makes it easy putting gear in and out, not having to pass wet gear into the boat or over people's heads. As you can also see, it is non-skid sea deck throughout the entire boat, so you can traverse from the transom of the boat all the way into the cockpit. Before we go into the cockpit, I want you to take a look and notice the large storage compartments where your plug and play bags are on either side of your stern of the boat. Also here you're going to have a pop-up pylon for your avid skier, or if you're wanting to pull a tube from a lower tow point, you can do so right there as well. Let's check out the cockpit of the boat. As we move into the cockpit of the boat, first thing I want you to notice is the intricate design and stitching throughout the cockpit. The cushion bolsters is just extremely nice. The craftsmanship in this boat is second to none. They have some of the best looking interiors in the industry. Also, the abundance of seating. I mean, you have full wraparound seating. You have dual functionality as far as you'll have your flip forward rider stadium seating, where you can have people sit, watch the person riding behind the boat, with flip up backrests for additional stadium seating, as I like to call. These are easy to adjust and flip back down into place when you're not using them. The non-skid surface here on the backrest also acts as a nice little dinette or a table during the day if you're taking a break from riding, having some snacks or drinks, and then it easily stows back away and doubles as a seat in the cockpit of the boat. As we move forward here to the helm, as you can see, we have our 12-inch clear screen here. All the functionalities of the boat are controlled right here from this screen at the tip of your fingertips. Or another way to control all the functionalities of the boat is your smart wheel here. Your buttons float freely from the steering wheel, keeping them in the same place at all times. You also have your cordless phone charger for any smartphone or device out there, whether it be Samsung or iOS. You also have abundant seating. So here on the port side, I just want you to see the massive storage compartments, where right now we currently have the cover for the boat stored, as well as the filler cushions for the bow. Moving forward throughout this boat, you'll see there's many different little ventilation outlets for heaters. This boat does come equipped with cockpit heat. And then in the bow of the boat, you have a nice bullnose bow, giving you ample space. It's a very deep bow as well. This is a big, deep, heavy 23-foot boat, designed to throw the biggest and baddest wave out there. So come out to Baldridge and check it out. My name's Buck.